This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Courter. Renovated 2020 stylish lakefront, fully furnished and ready for immediate occupancy. Open floor plan, great room west/fireplace. 10 by 31 lakefront deck and fireplace.Dock and level lawn, parking for 6 cars. Vaulted ceiling in great room, faux wood flooring throughout. Kitchen with breakfast bar is open to dining and living room all facing the lake. 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths and laundry room. Scenic setting in Henderson Cove. Boating, waterski, jet ski, wakeboard, kayak, paddle, swim, fish, hike, bike and explore the great outdoors. Amazing location awaits. Flexible terms on long-term rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Courter at 973-770-7777.